Hello my people. Hey, no be small thing o. I go put this video for una. Obo na e do am. I no wan talk too much for here. I just want me I just tell una wetin happen small. Una know say about VDM wey dey arrest. So everybody dey say free VDM, justice for VDM. So na him ex-wife come say justice for VDM. Now Obo say, which mouth you get say justice for VDM? Why you not say justice for you first? Because they are dragging you know wetin dey go on since then. I go put this video make una see the way Obo take give im wife woto no be small thing o. Hey, this their issue who go settle am? Me I no just know, make I not just talk too much. Make una watch the video. Na bye bye for now. Help me to love and like and share this video.
Na so I see say Rose Ame Owele Omo Maria, when she supposed to dey cry now say justice for her. Rose Ame is supposed to be campaigning now say let the world listen to her, let the world hear her out, let the world find the truth about her. Rose Owele Ame suppose don contact Channels TV, Brekete family. Even say she suppose don contact VDM by now. What is she supposed to tell them? Please, I have something to say. Listen to both of us and see who is wrong. Go. Now, Rose get the mind, because we are living in a blind country, Nigeria. He say he want to fight justice for VDM. What a show promoter. She's looking for clients. Both are shallow clients. You know, say they don't know where she did now. They are not contacting her. Which justice you want ask for VDM? When your hand dey dirty, we hear say women they cheat, even married women they cheat. But we never really see woman boldly when they marry two husbands at the same time. Marrying both husbands legally at the same time. Rose is the first person. We never see woman when they say can't do DNA when in the whole public, in the whole world begin to they run, carry twins they run. We never see woman when they don't catch am with juju like this say it takes say do as I say. We never see woman with evidence say in the thief money with evidence. Say politician they give her money make it they rent out in dollar in Nigeria. Your evidence they there. EFCC if I want you. EFCC said they look for you. You never come out come tell people say no, I know they sleep around. Even though I they sleep around is normal. No, I know carry police want to send my husband to prison make I for take over all these things. No, I not send police for Nigeria. You never come tell the world. Say the document when they say miss, now only you and your husband they has. How it take me so you want to explain your side of the story, say no be you take her. You never come tell the world say my house document where then they try to change to your name, not be you start the processing. You never come tell the world say my house documents, not one, not two, including the property I bought in Mami Market, Air Force Base. Say you now only me and you they have not be you carry the documents. You never come tell the world say my land when I want to do pure water. Say the document when he also miss, you not know about time. And many when I not remember. You never come tell the world say that driver when they drive you, when I give you, he lie against you. He not carry you go any hotel, go meet man in Nigeria. You never come to say my phone of 1,200 when you thief for abroad, when you lie, say you not take her, and I see her for video when you take her, they dance where you hide. Say na lie, not be my own, or no, now you buy her, the receipt there with me. You never come tell the world say you say now you build my house, and when I bring evidence, you never come and come defend yourself. So, because the country where we dey, the bad ones and the ugly ones, they are 99.9. The injustice, people that support injustice, they are 99.9, and that is where you belong and your gang. Now, because you not get shame, you not will get shame because people when they with you, they many they not get shame. So now you want come out seek justice for VDM. You never seek justice for yourself. Let me believe, say, na me do you wrong. You are supposed to be shouting for justice now. Justice for Rose and the children, no. Justice for Rose and the children, no. Rose, you are to seize this opportunity to seek for your justice. Say, the house when you build, oh, this man don't collect am for you, oh, or you want collect am for you. You have a lot of justice to seek for yourself, Rose. Amen. The first woman to be married to husband at the same fucking time, and we are both legally married to you. The other one legally married to you in the court. I am legally married to you traditionally. Two husbands at the same time. Name: Livingstone. Kenneth Livingstone or Kennedy. Me, Prince Olushola, marrying you at the same time without me knowing. I don't know if that one knows. But me, I didn't know. Recently is when I know. Let the world seek justice for you, Rosame. You seize this opportunity to tell the world, seek justice for me, oh. This man is after me, oh. He has taken over my house, oh. He has taken over the children, oh. He has lied against me, oh. He has said I have two husbands, oh. He has said documents are missing, oh. He has said you are changing his name. You have changed all the company I register in Nigeria. No one is in my name. You change all of them. How did you get my signature? You need justice. Rose Ame, you need justice. The first local and international Shawo, the same woman who is in husband's house, just 3-4 months old of a major operation, start sleeping with Uche. Uche that is supposed to be your husband. Uche that is your tenant. Uche that even have his own Oibo in my own house. You start sleeping with Uche. I caught you. I never make any noise. We are to sit down and talk about it. But you called me police so that the world will not hear it. They will take me away. So tell the world what chased you out of your husband's house. You need justice. Hello, justice for Rose Owele Ame Omo Maria. Use this opportunity that the whole world, the whole Nigeria is concentrating on VDM. Use and quickly seek justice for yourself. If to say with the world, Nigeria in particular, when you get shame, when you get dignity, when you get pride, a woman that is stained all over her body, that have stain all over her body, a woman that have used human rights defender to enrich herself and send people to prison and lie and be sleeping with men and women, people's husband, and giving people's wife to her clients, will now come and want to come out shamelessly. I am seeking justice. Do you know the meaning of justice? EFCC is looking for you with evidence. So it's better you seek justice now for VDM, so that when your time comes, they will help you seek your justice. Because all the signature you use in renting out money, I have them. They have what they call forensic. If you say not be you, they say EFCC will do forensic for your matter. You that is a fraudster, that is using our organization to donate for yourself, but not for the organization. You want to seek justice. Do you know what they call justice? That thoroughly investigation being done and concluded, then the person will be set free because he is innocent of what they are accusing him or her of. That is when you seek for justice. Which justice if to say you not come from tribe where they not get shame? To say you not come from society when they not get shame? Waiting you suppose want tell public now, I need justice. Justice full around your neck when you need to seek for. They are still waiting. You go talk. They say not talk na maturity. Not talk na maturity that my house documents are missing. Not talk that you have not been able to explain what happened between you and Uche. Not talk that the police you brought both in Nigeria and here you have not explained. Do we have a society? Are we living in a society? Are we living in a reasonable society as far as Nigeria is concerned? See me, oh. Wetin I go do for Benue State? Very shameless set of people. How I tell you when I not just ask question. Then see person when they shameless like this. Even to come do DNA because the egg not be your own. If the children turn out to be my own, egg not be your own. Egg not be your own, and not be me and you sign and say, may we use another woman egg. The first hospital we went to, they call it mother and child around the Ogba Road. They call it mother and child. When I see say you know they talk about children, you know they talk about children. I don't know say you don't already know your problem. Only you don't see the whole heavenly daughter even before you marry me. You know say you know if you born. Me I don't know. We dey wait for monthly measures every day. We dey wait every month. We dey wait for monthly measures. Now so he go tell me say he never see measures. So let's thank God say na baby. I don't know say they fool me. One day I come help and they calculate the one when he say never see. I come they calculate time. He not talk. Then one day I can't see say this woman get pad when they see measures when he hide inside the try and for light or hide and for toilet. Because that time they say aboking they use people measures do something. So anytime she get measures, I advise and say, fair gather and so if you they go for work, you fit throw am for road or anywhere or pit toilet when they on a office at Ikeja. So where you go, they hide the measures. Because he don't lie to me, say he never see her. This woman don't they see measures. I can't go see her. Before I come for work, I can't lose her for grant. I can't call her when I come for work. I say, madam, you are seeing measures and it not shock you. You tell me, say you know they see measures, we are expecting baby. It can't shock. Now that time I can't know, say, okay, it's like this woman already know, say no will get children or child. I can't take the matter serious that much. Now say, oh yeah, where how far you don't go about this pregnancy? And I don't go here now. I carry and go one woman. The day when they give her, he rejected the woman saying na 40 years. I can't the one that say, why you lie to the woman? I not tell her. I don't know say so that the woman will give her positive results. Say, okay, may give me hope. Say it's 40 years. Yeah, you are still good to go. But I say, but me and you know say you not be 40 years. Person when you senior 3 times for your family now, it was more 1976. Now carry and go mother and child. Carry and go mother and child for Ikeja, Ogba, along Ogba Road. The young daughter when they there, professional daughter, that one check, do some kind of thing. That one come advise us say, we need to look for girl when will help us carry child. I go later down and say, how do you mean? I never hear him before. He say, what thing will advise us? You cannot carry child. Now, with certain thing when he talk that time, say, may we look for girl. May the girl resemble my S. May we look for lady. He say they can provide. They fit provide, but he go look like my S height and he go yellow like my S. I can't they try to let the dot understand. Say, what thing will make my, because they use some kind of language, whatever, what thing will make this woman not fit carry child now? She be they see menses. He says it's not about menses. Then as the doctor want try to explain, this woman just form cry, oh, they cry. No, I must get child. They begin to pray to God. No, God of this, God of that. No. So he form cry, they begin cry, make the doctor not explain. I can't beg and we can't come up for there. Okay, go back there. They give us appointment. Go back there. Say no, they go back there. He get another place again. Now so this woman tell on come there. And me too now. Sometimes my sense will lock up. So what are we talking? According to analysis, you went and used egg. I know they there. I can't bear witness. Now another person egg then say then you use. So now me I know they accuse you say not true. I know witness her. Now 2 DNA you go do. 1, I wrote to lawyer said they should not use my sperm when me and you have an issue. Lawyer wrote to the hospital where you're supposed to do IVF. For me, let's believe they did not use it again. We don't do them. I want to know whether na my own then still use. Fine. Then after you pass for my own, say yes, then use my sperm and my children. We will also come to make them check your egg. Finish. The children are your own. I don't get what I want they can do. Now your own, no, simple. We know the part 2 to start. Which one you suppose come outside can't talk? You want to address Uche matter? You don't address her. That one has stand for your life. Let's believe say they lie against you. You have to explain it in total. There's some record when Uche sent to people, when they sent to me, when Uche they talk to them, the record now. We will pray for public. You and Uche will have problem. You say, Uche, why did you say this? Why did you say that? Not me. I not follow na enter room. And your people, before you begin to talk to your people, your same father and same mother, when this issue happen, Joy say the family has put her together that you should come to Nigeria and swell Aleku. Say then get juju Aleku. Say make you swear am. You talk about am. So you guys staying up and down. You sleep with almost the whole people in Nigeria. Good for you. But in my own face, in my own house, in my own apartment, you slept with Uche. You call me police. You are the woman that is married to husbands now as we speak today. Married the two legally. The one you are cheating is not what we are saying. You are married to husbands legally. And you want to fight for justice for VDN. All my house documents, including receipt, is stolen. You want to fight for VDN. Human rights account has been used to commit crime. You want to fight justice for VDN. Politicians gave you money to sell, which is illegal in Nigeria. With the evidence are there, the few ones I have, more than 10 different people. You want to fight justice for VDN. All over your room, while police searching, there is voodoo all over. The one that is written, the direction how to use it, and the one that is written nothing. You want to fight for VDN. There is a voodoo inside your bag that is say, do as I say. You want to fight justice for VDM. Every children I rescue to save their lives in my house, you beat up them and injure them, they are alive to testify. You want to fight justice for VDM. A case we treated that the man is supposed to be sent to prison, you and one police bimbo in gender, Ikeja. You, both of you, if you collect 400,000 from the man and tell the man to go to his village before the wife will look for another apartment so that the man don't come back to that house. You want to fight justice for VDM. Then, one Asika, one Mr. Asika who was based in Idian, who has a hotel in Ayobo, came to our office to complain against his wife who stole his house document, just like you did also. Then, in the process of following the case, we never start anything. The man saying and his wife don't settle. You say no, say you don't already give 400,000 to the police, make they track the man, track the wife. Even when the wife call you on phone, so you not go anywhere. You were forcing the man to pay 400,000 by threat, by everything, by even go and meet police. For police, you call the man, be threatening the man that you give police something that you told the man you have already given them something. When we have not even contacted police. Is that the justice you want to fight for? Is that the justice? I am repeating it. Asika, John Asika, Ewa to person. Check it on Facebook. John Asika. You may see Tony Asika. Tony Asika is the elder brother to John Asika. So, Iluobe, something Iluobe is the Ishan name. The young man has been long in India, make this money, build hotel and everything. So he and his wife has problem. He coming to Nigeria, see that the wife took everything, including their only child, and run away to Benin. They ran to us. I hand over it to you. At the end of the day, 400,000, when we not pay 1 naira to anybody, you hold the man hostage to pay you 400,000 naira. I don't know, Nigeria is so upside down that they go live waiting, they bite them. They do scratch waiting, they scratch them. Waiting, they bite person. Now they felt they buy before they scratch body when they scratch person. But today, even when snake bites Nigeria, Nigeria will not go after the snake. But when body they scratch at the same time, while snake is biting the same person, they will be scratching that place and let the snake be biting that person. You want to ask for justice in your life. After everything, you have not come to tell your gullible people and the ones that are straight You now have the guts as a shameless human being that is already 6 months. It's already 6 months that all your atrocity, you have done it on camera. People sees it, not like I say. They say I review it. That is my offense. I say to the public, it's my offense. And why you not talk like a woman? You are talking like, why you not talk like a man? It's my offense. Why hand not catch you, may you go prison? I refuse to go prison, it's my offense. But what is the offense of Rose Amen? That the husband is still alive, still fighting me on a comment section as at day before yesterday, before I finally broke him. The husband of Rose is still fighting me today. The evidence are there. We know many women, many men cheat. But we never see Nigerian woman when just present two husband. Not be cheating, no. We never see Nigerian woman when just present two husbands at the same time. And you that claim to be using my page to fight injustice, you are the first woman, you are the first self-claimed activist. You are the first human rights defender activist that have committed what a renowned criminal has not committed. An armed robber has not committed. You are the first person. Rose, you want to fight justice for VDM. Okay, let me remind you what is called justice and with evidence. If you go on Google, the people viewing me right now, after this, go on Google, you have your second phone, you will put Human Rights Defenders and Advocacy Center. Human Rights Defenders and Advocacy Center. The chairman and the founder is Innocent Agbo. I don't talk without evidence. The chairman and founder is Innocent Agbo. When I came from, the reason why they don't like me, I don't care. I fight against human trafficking. So why I was seriously fighting against human trafficking in abroad, America, Europe and all that, UK, working with the foreign police and working with NAPTIP of Nigeria. So I was to come to Nigeria and stage a protest for a week in Benin. And I registered my organization in Holland, Human Rights Defenders and Advocacy International. It's my own here in Europe. So I thought I can operate all over the world, Africa, including Africa. So when I get to Nigeria, they said, no, I did not register it here. I should go and collaborate in conjunction with the one registered. So I was looking for human rights defenders just to be under there so that I won't come in vain. They now refer me to this one I just mentioned, the one that Agbo hold, Innocent Agbo. So they were at Ikeja. Rose is not an activist. Rose don't have the knowledge. I train her. So when I got there, the people were not at home that day. And I sat, they now refer me to Rose's office. And I sat there. So the story is that those people were owing house rent. They now chased them out. And because they already know there and they don't have place to go, they now beg Rose to be using Rose's office, that small office, just to be registering their case. That was that they make Rose matron, self-claimed president. So I now came, I now used their organization. Then they make me to be a member. I paid everything, I become a member. So in the process of following them to some places, there is one man they call Ade Balogun. It's a popular man in Ikeja. They now went, that organization, they will also write to seek for financial assistance donation. So most of the places they distribute their letters, this Ade Balogun now invited them to come and take some money. Rose now went. Rose went there. They now gave Rose 300,000 to give to our organization, which owned by Innocent Agbo. Rose now refused to hand over. Rose now lied that the man did not later give them anything. Agbona say a rich man that be helping us say you should come and collect. We should come and collect money. Didn't tell us how much, and we sent you there. After much argument, Innocent now say let everybody go. Even me, all of us, we went there. Getting there, the man never wanted to say yes or no. The man said, you people should go and settle yourself. You people should go and settle yourself. No, the Innocent now insists or say, Oga, you give her money, I be not give. The man now say, I gave her money. Then the man now still refused to say how much since he know that Rose is denying. The money was 300,000 after much problem, which the man now later says 300,000 I gave. Rose want to talk. Rose say, he don't borrow the man money one time. So since they don't disgrace her now, they don't disgrace and not get anything to take. You know, he can't provide the money. Don't want to provide it. He say, Innocent, I once borrow you money to do a yam business. So I agree now. I take the 300,000. As we speak today, Rose did not release the 300,000. Rose did not release the 300,000. Then Innocent Agbo now went and arrest Rose in Area F, Ikeja. They now detain Rose after taking a statement. That is, she's supposed to sleep cell, and they will charge her to court the following morning. I now try my possible best. I now release Rose at about 10 after 10 in the night. So, which one be your justice when you want fight? Because me, I dey fight my justice in a transparent way. So it's that if I am wrong, let the world see that I am wrong. Which justice? Person when all your stay in hand. He want help person when wear white clean in cloth. Say, okay, let me clean your cloth for you. You go wash the oil when it dey your hand. You go wash the oil when it dey your hand before you go stain VDM. VDM, they always they wear white, in case you don't know Rose. VDM, they always they wear white. So now go use your red oil hand. Take go help the VDM staining cloth. I know say the country when we dey, they blind. They know they see. They get ear. They know they hear. They get mouth. They know they use and talk truth. Make I begin lie now. You foresee everybody will be my friend. Make I talk now about Rose. Make I not get evidence. Everybody will they applaud me as a saga. Saga, they want me to do saga. Make I just come out. No evidence. I will just the insult her. I will just the rant. Everybody will be my friend. But come outside as far as you are in Nigeria. Say the truth. Back it up with evidence. Let the person come and defend his or herself because there is evidence. Tell me all this evidence. They lie. Tell me the picture when you take married two husbands. Say, na Photoshop. Tell me the pictures when you take go court. Say, na Photoshop. Just come out to show that you are really fighting for justice. Come and address one among your millions of fraudulent act, marriage scam, human rights scam. Address one. And I have evidence of all. Just come and address one. Yeah, Ashawo. Shameless thing. I no blame you. Now me when you not do finding, make I know how Benue people be. Now there I see blame myself. Because this shameless act of yours, it's not about you. It's about how the tribe, the tradition, the upbringing. That is who you are. Person when dirty day eye, when never remove one, he want help person remove dirty. Shameless human being. Shameless. No go stay, use our page. Go stay in VDMO. No go use our page, go stay now. Dirty woman. You are dirty in the heart. You are dirty in your in what you do with yourself. In everything you are dirty. A clean human rights organization that I established, you don't stay now. You have stayed it. You have stayed a human rights organization I brought from abroad to initiate in Nigeria that was really doing well. You have stayed it. Anything they stay now. Because you don't get shame. Yes. You don't get shame and you don't ever get shame. But meanwhile, there are 1% of Nigeria that have shame. That whenever they see you, they use nose, not like say, Abi. Or you go meet somebody when a man that have control over his family. You want to go visit her in your future. If the man